We all know gland packing and mechanical seals, but have you heard of the Liquidyne lip seal as a superior alternative? It makes the difference in many dredging, mining, and water applications. The Liquidyne was released in 1983 and initially intended for heavy-duty dredge pumps. Due to its robust design, the seal can handle above-average axial and radial play. A good pump shaft seal keeps fluid inside the pump and prevents contamination or loss. It also protects the bearings and other components from dirt. The Liquidyne is a water-lubricated pump seal from Lagersmit, intended as an upgrade to gland packing and mechanical seals. So let me tell you how it works. A key component of the Liquidyne is the grooved bush, which is a special kind of sleeve with small grooves that rotates with the pump shaft. That grooved bush transports a thin layer of water to the edge where rubber lip seals run. That water film makes the lip seal slightly float and reduces direct contact between rubber and the metal parts. And that means low friction and less heat. Over time, the grooves on the bush gradually wear down. Less water is transported over the bush, and the amount of water leaving the drain decreases. When the drain flow is at 20% of the initial flow, maintenance needs to be planned. Why is that beneficial? Plan maintenance more efficiently and minimize the risk of sudden pump failure. Reduce human error and intervention risk. Less wear and protecting bearings equals peace of mind. The Liquidyne can be used for different pumps and even for mining. Do you want to find out if Liquidyne is the right choice for you? Reach out to our sales team. They're ready to help.